got there? Who do you have?
Cherry.
He's videoing. Can you say hi?
Hi.
You'll end up on YouTube.
Yep.
She's cute.
Thank you, Rachel. Oh,
Smile.
look at me. Look at me. There's Rachel. Oh, there's a yawn.
A big yawn. Yeah, she wants a
Hold
hug.
her head up a little bit.
She has a hug.
Yeah.
Now
Okay,
you can
let
hug
me get
her.
a good picture. Here, look at me. Well, she's not crying. Brendan, look.
I want to see her again. Yeah.
After that
Is
grin
it?
ain't tough.
Yeah.
That's all I'm holding.
I know, I'm glad that's so like,
Nieces and
oh
nephews
yeah,
only.
everyone can come this weekend. Maybe I can sleep during the day, since I'm sure I won't be sleeping at night. And maybe.
Wow, Lonnie, she's gotten big.
I know. I can't believe it was just a few days ago.
Look at his grin, Jody.
Yeah. That's funny. Blake is silly.
Where you going? You can't go to the floor.
People about running y'all nuts, Lonnie.
What?
There's people about running your nuts.
You said it too. Leave me alone. Oh, so we did.
Did we get the
Your wrinkles
Oh, look at that one. That's a crooked one.
wrinkles are eyebrows.
We had a crooked
She
one.
doesn't like the camera.
We had a crooked one. Oh, what are we eating here?
Alright, work your magic.
What are we eating
She's
here?
dreaming.
Yeah. What are we eating here? Open up. She won't go sleep.
No.
She won't go sleep.
If you're happy and you know it, smile now.
Hey. Hey. A good smile for us. Well, I tell you, Lake, she smiled. She'd be asleep and she'd just be smiling all the time. I never seen a baby smile as much as that one did. I didn't. No. I didn't. There's eyes
Yeah,
again.
eyeballs.
There's some eyes
Hey,
again.
Terry.
There's some
Oh,
eyes
a
again.
dimple. Did you see that?
I did.
Jody, she's
I
got some
did.
dimples.
You got your daddy's dimples.
You.
I wonder.
I've been wondering if she
Where
would
would-
have them.
Where would you find some
Baby.
dimples? Yeah. Where would we find some dimples? Oh, goodness.
Oh,
Oh, gracious. What a yawn. Goodness gracious.
smiled a couple times.
Yeah, yeah. We saw a dimple.
It's on
Yes,
this side
we
over here.
should.
So cute.
We're going to go back and watch that. I want to see that dimple again right over there. I want to see that dimple.
Show us, show us.
He said, Gwen, leave me alone. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. I'm going to go sleep again.
Alright, well,
Yeah.
good work.
Yeah.
Both of you.
We got a little bit. We got a dimple anyway.
Jody! What's your
What's your what?
your zip?
7? No, I'm just kidding.
What's your zip?
I think. I forgot.
She used to hide from me.
Cries.
What are you doing?
He likes the balloon.
Eat it.
Ran it again.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
Is it raining?
I don't know.
I can hear
Who's
it
this?
on the window.
Sleepy Brendan.
Happy Jimmy.
Smile so I can take the picture. Are you gonna smile?
I am.
Oh, I couldn't tell. Okay, I got it.
What do you say? Hey, Daddy, please get me my balloon. Okay.
Hey.
250 miles an hour.
Hey.
Is a juggernaut.
Hello there.
Hey.
Hello, camera.
Throw Asher up here, he'll grab it.
100,000 avalanches devastate the slopes every winter. This huge mountain chain continues the great spine that runs from Patagonia to Alaska. The Blue Mountains seem an unlikely home for any, especially
Jay, you said you come here.
after
After
6 months dozing on
We're gonna go skate.
What?
We're gonna go skate with our scooters.
Oh.
And we're gonna do that.
What have you got there?
That's Brendan's.
What you got?
I got my girl. She's cute.
When she's asleep?
She's cute even when she's awake.
Oh.
That builds her lungs, Joe. So she can get serious.
Son, if I ever drove you away, ever made you feel unworthy,
Get a paper bag.
It's still coming.
Yeah. All right.
Tag team operation here.
Are you done? Yeah.
Jody's like, that's Tiffany. I was like, hey, are you saying what happened?
You got something in your hair.
I know. Isn't it pretty?
It's beautiful.
Like picked it right
There's
out of
nothing
her
in
nose.
her hair.
Well, you know, you got to buy the Carol. I sent the bows.
We have Kroger brand. You think that will work?
Oh yeah.
Asher.
It's just weird how it works because it doesn't even feel sticky. But you just take a warm rag and wipe it off. Just slide right off.
We slept last night.
Woohoo! Go hold your breath.